Magandang hapon po ng June 13, 2024 Thursday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng June 13, 2024 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Thursday, June 13, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for June 13, 2024, Thursday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 is 57 million pesos and Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 48 million pesos for Thursday, June 13, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for June 13, 2024, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.